Good afternoon, everybody. I'm going to walk you through this Respiration Scratch lab. This is a little Scratch app that teaches you a little bit about respiration, and I think is very similar to what you're being asked to do in your AP Computer Science class. So I'm just going to walk you through how this works, answer a couple of questions, and then you're on your own to tinker with and do some experiments with the lab. So if you go to this link that I've got here, this bit.ly WLA Bio 1, if you go to that link, it's going to take you to a site that looks like this, which is just a little Scratch program. And within this program, there's directions over here on the left, over here on the right, sorry, about what to do. So the idea here is that you follow through these steps. There's a number of different things you can do. There's a temperature thermometer. You can adjust the temperature. There's some yeast, just baker's yeast. There's a little timer here. There's a measuring device, and there's an empty bottle. So we're just going to follow through these steps that have been set up in the Scratch program. And I'll follow along here. So click on the yeast box and add 2 servings. So I'm going to do just exactly what it says here. So I'm going to click on the yeast box. It's going to add 1 serving to the empty bottle. It's going to add a 2nd serving to the empty bottle. Okay, so now in this bottle, all we have are some dry yeast cells. So it says, then click on the bottle to change it from empty to a sugar-filled solution, either soda or orange juice or grape juice. So you can click through these different variations here. So we'll just pick soda. Okay. Then select the arrow buttons next to the temperature gauge and change the temperature to between 20 and 80 degrees. All right, so I'm going to set it, I don't know, we'll try 20 to begin with. All right. After that, click the Add Balloon button. I click that, and a little balloon gets put on top of the bottle so that any gas that might be escaping from the yeast as they respire will be collected in that balloon. Okay. Again, I'm just following the directions here. And then click on the timer in the top left corner. So now we're going to start the experiment. The experiment doesn't run for very long. Here we go. Make some annoying noise. Runs for a few seconds. Beeps when it's done. So now, once the timer is finished, click on the measuring device on the right side and note down your result. So I'm just going to click on this measuring device here. It goes up and it measures the balloon. How much gas was put in. The volume of the balloon is 4 cubic centimeters. It didn't show you units, but the units are cubic centimeters. So this then allows you to do this experiment again and again. You can reset it. You can add 1 package of yeast. You can add 2 packages of yeast. You can add different liquids. You can't run it for different times, as far as I can tell. Right, you can put in grape juice or orange juice or soda. You can change the temperature from 20 to 80 degrees. So as you go back now, understanding how this works, you're going to run some simulations and answer some questions in Canvas. If you have any questions, I'll be around to help. Thanks.